इधर लेक्चर है कुछ सुशील काका।
हाँ विजय सर बोले।
इधर लेक्चर है क्या?
इधर लेक्चर है ना।
अच्छा।
नाइन्थ आईसीएसई।
अरे नहीं, इधर कुछ तो बताने वाले हैं, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ।
आवाज नहीं बराबर आ रहा है।
अरे कुछ तो इसमें बच्चे लोग आने वाले हैं।
हाँ 9th 10th का बच्चों को बिठाने को बोला है मैडम ने।
हाँ मुझे भी।
10th आईसीएसई की।
अरे 10th ICSE 9th ICSE सब एक साथ।
9th आईसीएसई और 10th आईसीएसई बच्चे इधर बैठेंगे अभी 10 मिनट के लिए।
हाँ वही मेरे को भी से।
हाँ उसके लिए चालू करके रखा है।
ठीक है। ठीक है।
Your okay. So I'll just share my screen. Okay. So first important thing, you all must have received this login message on your emails. Okay. So basically, this login message has a user ID and the password. It has student login also and parent login also. Okay, so this is the login ID and password with which you will be logging into the student portal. Okay, now where to go for the student portal? It is mentioned here itself where to go for the student portal. That is the UT website, right? So let us now open the UT website. It is www.universitytutorials.in. So once you open the UT website, on the right hand side corner, there's one login button. You click on it, then you go to student parent login. Okay, here it asks you for the username and password. You are supposed to enter the same username and password which you have received in the login message. Okay, if you have not received or you have missed this email, you can ask your branch coordinator or you can contact the central helpline number and get this ID and password. Right now, once you log in, this is the screen that appears. Okay, this is the dashboard. The dashboard itself tells you a lot of things. Here you can see the monthly timetable. Different colors you are able to see. If you miss a lecture, it comes in red. If you have an active lecture, it comes in this lavender purple color. And if you have a test assigned, it comes in blue color. Okay, so this dashboard itself tells you a lot of things. Then on the right hand side, you are able to see your performance. Since now no tests have been taken, so here nothing is shown, but normally your performance graph comes here. And below that, you are able to see your attendance. Okay, your lecture attendance as well as your test attendance. Now left corner, 3 lines you can see. This is the menu. Okay, first is the dashboard. That is the same thing that I told you just now. Second, we have the fees. Okay, in the fees section, you can see your fees details, the payments, all payments that you have done. And if any payment is pending, you can make the payment using this online option from the website. Next, we have communication. So whatever communication UT sends you, all the emails and all the SMS, whatever it sends you, everything is saved here. You can get the communication log over here. Next, we come to the timetable, right? In the timetable, you are able to see both timetables, the test as well as the lecture. Okay. Now, the lecture timetable is in lavender color and the test timetable is in light blue. So if I click on next on one page around 1 to 10, you can see. If I click the next page, now here you'll be able to differentiate. See, this lavender color mein jo hai, that is the lecture, active lectures. Okay, and whatever is in blue color is your test. So as per this, it is showing that your first test is on 23rd, right? So you can go and check your timetable also for your lecture and test. Then apart from active lectures, it also shows you completed tests and lectures, your missed tests and lectures, and if anything is pending, right? So all these things can be seen in this timetable tab. Next, I come to attendance details. So it will show you attendance subject wise, that is English, how many lectures you attended and when you attended. And also it will show you month wise. So in the month of April, this were the lectures you have attended. So you'll get your complete attendance details subject wise as well as month wise. After attendance, I come to test performance. So here, right now, there is no data. Let me change the date. If I change the date, I'll get some data. Because we have not taken any test for this session. Okay, so you're able to see the test performance, both tabular as well as graphical. Okay, this is tabular and then this is graphical. Graphical subject wise, you are able to see where you stand, right? This is whole performance, and after every test you can come and check your test performance. Okay, after every test it reflects. Then next we come to download. In download we have two sections: study material, you can download the PDF, or you can just check for the test papers. Okay, when do test papers appear? Once you have attempted the test, then the test paper, that is question paper, and the model answer would appear here on the website. After that, we come to important links. So you have the extra lecture link, you have the survey links and the YouTube links. All these links are available over here in the important links part, right? And last is contact us. If you want to contact us for any help, you have the mobile number as well as the email ID mentioned over here. Okay, so this is about the UT website where you are able to get all the details on the student portal, right? If you have any doubts, you haven't received your ID password, you can connect with your branch coordinator or you can take help from the central helpline. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dwarka ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
ये कौन बैठे हैं? वाशी?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, चलो बाय बाय बोलो अभी.
Okay, ma'am. चलो.
बाय बाय. मैम. No. I just called you, ma'am. Before that, Vashi students were there here. So I'll be on the first. Let's get to know. Your? I'm Aslan. Sorry? Aslan. Aslan. And your? Abhinit. Abhinit. And you both are from? Which school? Ryan. Okay. You go to Ryan Navy. And you go to? I go to CBPM International. Annually. CBM. Okay. So you stay in Koperthane, you also stay in Koperthane. You go to 2 different days. Fine. So today. Yeah, that one only. Done. That's for another one. So do you have your, what have you got today?
And with the
Grammar?
books.
Only the notebooks. Okay.
I got my textbooks also.
You got your textbooks also bring. You also bring your textbook, because the 2 periods of grammar becomes too tedious. It will become too tedious even for you. But since you don't have a textbook, I'll go with the grammar today. And otherwise, we'll do 1 grammar, 1 text. Okay. Then 2 hours go quickly. Okay. So, CPSE, right? And your timetable is written active passive. I'm in ICSE. Is written active passive. No? Your timetable. So we won't go exactly as per the timetable. I'll tell you before, as I said, you will try to do 1 lesson, 1 grammar. So do carry your textbooks also. Do you have a textbook, you said? Which one do you have?
Registers and
Treasure chest. What have they done in school so far from treasure chest?
work of art.
Okay, they started with a work of artifice.
And it's done.
It's done.
Registers and release.
Okay. And then what have they started in your school? Okay. Because we thought we'll start with the 9th May. Because we usually start with 9th May, but then your school has finished the work of art. And how does it go? They you start with the exams in the month of. You have for as soon as you join school, June. So today, forget it. So we'll do grammar. So today we'll do active passive. But before doing active passive, let me find out how comfortable you are with tenses. Okay. So you know all kinds of tenses. So can you tell me? Let's start with the simple ones. Okay. And tell me how you change it. Okay, this will be just a revision before going for towards active passive. If I say yeah, play football. Then sentences in which tense?
Past.
Okay. So we have different types of tenses. One is simple.
Present.
Then the main types are present, past, and future. Right? Present, past, and future. And there are various other tenses. So one is simple. So this is simple past tense. What will be the simple future present of this?
I am playing.
Simple present. I play football. Only I play football. Okay? It will be only I play, and this will be. What will be the future?
I will play.
Will play. That's it. After simple, you have something called continuous. Continuous is also known as progressive. How will you change this sentence? Simple, to present continuous.
I am playing.
Very good. Continuous, always remember verb plus ing. I'm playing football. How will you, what will be the past continuous?
I was
Very good. And had it instead of I, if it was we, then we were playing. How will be your future? Continuous.
I will be playing.
I will be playing football. Very good. This is one simple, then there is continuous, then there is perfect. What will be present perfect? No. I will play will become simple future tense. What words do we use in perfect? No. In perfect tense, we use words like has, have. So in perfect present tense, or as a present, in present perfect tense, we use has, have plus past participle. Do you know what past participles are? Have you studied the list of past participles? What is the past participle of eat? Eight is past tense. What is the past participle? Eat, ate, and third is eaten. Okay, so eaten is past participle. So what we do is has, have, has for singular, have for plural, plus past participle. So how will you change this to present perfect tense? I have. Since it is I, it becomes have. Had it been he, then he has. So I have played. I have played football. What word do we use for past perfect? For past perfect, it is had plus past participle. Okay. So how will you change this? I had played. Okay. And what will be for future perfect? Will have plus past participle. Okay. So what will be the, how will you change this to? I will have played football. Okay. Now there is one more. There is a combination of this and this, and that is known as perfect continuous tense. Okay. How do we write perfect continuous tense? It is has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay. Combination of this and this. So how will you write this? I have been playing. That becomes perfect continuous tense. Okay. So what you will do now is, you know simple tense well, right? You just write simple tense, example, present, future. You know continuous tense also. Perfect tense, you write from here. Perfect tense, write this perfect, present perfect, this, and write the sentence. One sentence is, I played football. Other sentence would be with he. Okay. So this much you write in your notebook.
Perfect continuous tense. We will have more to know. Had been and
Had been. So this will be present perfect continuous. So this will be present perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous would be had plus been plus verb plus ing. And future perfect continuous is very, very, very used. Will have been, but that is how it is. Okay? Will have been. If you want, you can write, but it's not used a lot in the sentence. But if you want for your information, I'll give you that as well. Future will be what is your school form?
Vidya, Vidya, football, Prasad.
Vidya Prasaran. After this, write one example, okay? You're writing, right? Which one? After each this, write example. You can write this one same I played example only. What have they started in your school?
Now, today was a day for Julius Caesar.
Okay. So they started Julius Caesar. So you have every day, the one day Julius Caesar, one day grammar, or everything. So, and from grammar, what have you started in grammar?
Grammar started a transformations. Assertive, to interrogative, to exclamation.
Okay. Any doubt? Done? Now, see, you remember here we are using past perfect. Now, what is this past perfect word? Because we'll be using this past perfect word many places. We'll be using in change the voice, we'll be using it in indirect speech, and everywhere we have to use the past perfect word. Okay, so what I'll do is, let's have a quick oral revision of past perfect. You know past perfect words. See, you might have studied past perfect, you know, when you are studying present, past, past participle and past participle. Sorry, not past perfect. So you have studied it in that order, like eat, ate, eaten, sleep, slept, slept. So that first sleep is present tense form, or it is known as, and then the second is past tense, and then the third one is past participle. Okay, so I'll quickly ask, and some we will write in a little. Okay. Beat, B-E-A-T, beat. What is the past part? Beaten, that's right. Begin.
Began.
Begin, began. He had begun. Okay, begin. Come, come, came, come. He had come. So always attach had to the word, and then you'll get the answer. Okay, try doing that. Dig, dug, dug. Drink,
Drunk.
drunk. That's right. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive,
Drove.
drove is past tense. Drive, drove. He had
Driven.
driven. That's right. Do,
Yeah.
done. That's right. Do, did, done. Fight,
Fought.
fought. Freeze,
Close.
close,
Frozen.
frozen. Give,
Gave. Given.
given. Go,
Had gone.
very good, gone. Always add had, and you will quickly get. See, you know it, but if I ऐसे ही पूछ लिया ना past participle बता दो, you will not get the word. But the minute you add to it, you immediately get it. Hurt,
Fought.
hurt. No,
You.
knew, had, known, known. Then left, left. Rise,
Rose.
rose, had, risen. R-I-S-E-N, risen. Risen is the past participle. Sleep,
Slept.
slept, slept. Speak,
Spoke. Spoke.
spoken. Swim,
Swam.
swim, swam. Had,
Had.
had, swum, swum. Tear,
Touring.
tone, tone. Sit,
Sat.
sit, sat, sat. Sing, sung. Very good. See,
Saw. Seen.
seen. Then ride. Okay, he rides a cycle, he rode a cycle, he had ridden. Ridden. R-I-D-D-N. Okay. Run. Ran. Run. That's right. I'll give you a few words. You write them in your notebook. Okay. Write the past. So, see what you will do is you will write present Three columns: present, past, and past participle. First, drive. Then second, drove. Yeah, you write drive, drove, driven. Very. Eat. Sit. No. Cut. Cut. What is the past tense of cut? Cut. And past participle? Cut. Did I give you trees? Trees. Then forgive. 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 And forgive. Forget. Forgotten. That's right. TTEN. Double TEN. Forgotten. Yeah, keep forgetting. I'll take little time to remember your names. What's your name? Aslan and Abhini. Aslan and Abhini. Both start from A. Tear. CEAR, tear. Tore. And it will be tone. Okay. So just for you to remember, these are called past participles. Now we'll start with our what do you call it? Active and passive. Okay. You have done active and passive before? Yes. You know active and passive very well. So will this just be a revision? Okay. Change it to the sentence is in which voice? Active. Now change it to passive. That becomes past tense. Past tense.
The apple was eaten by Radha.
Okay. An apple was eaten by Radha. Is it right? Is the tense now? You know what? You're right, but your tense is wrong. Okay. See, in active voice, somebody is doing the action. Whoever is doing the action is first. Who's doing the action? Radha. So Radha is the first. You know the subject. Radha is the subject doing action. In passive voice, the object on which the action is being done. किसके ऊपर action हो रही है? Apple के ऊपर. So apple comes first. और जो action कर रहा है, that goes in the end and it gets attached by. Okay? उसको by लग जाता है. समझ में आ गया? That is how we change. Now your sentence was right, but what was wrong? The tense was wrong. Why was the tense wrong? क्या होना चाहिए इसका? कैसे होना चाहिए वो sentence? An apple is eaten by Radha. क्यों? क्यों present tense होना चाहिए?
Because the sentence is in the
Very good. Because the sentence is in present tense. So you should always check the tense of the sentence while changing it to and you should retain the same tense. Okay? यहाँ पर tense change नहीं होगा. याद रखना. So this is active and passive. So in active and passive, when we change from active to passive, we do not change. We retain the tense. So therefore, it will be an apple is eaten by Radha. Okay. अगर if I write say
dinner was eaten early by Radha.
the dinner. Radha ate the dinner early. The dinner was eaten. सब जगह देखो past participle use हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Why was? Because the sentence is past tense. So और एक बात passive voice में जब हम change करते हैं तभी we always add a helping verb. Here when the sentence is in present tense, we have used is. Now here, when the sentence is in past tense, the dinner was eaten. Okay? So ये जो past participle है ना, उसके साथ we always use a helping verb. Is, are, was, were, which indicates the tense. Okay? So Radha, dinner was eaten by Radha early. Next, Radha will eat an apple. Okay, you give the answer.
An apple will be eaten by Radha.
That's right. An apple will be eaten by Radha. Okay. Now, this was about this. Agar. So you understand, I first gave you all sentences in simple tense. And we saw how to change it. Next sentence, next tense is continuous. Now, if we say Radha is eating an apple, then
An apple is being eaten by Radha.
That's right. Okay, so it will become an apple is, because this is ing, this will become being, is being eaten by. Okay. Had it been Radha was eating an apple, then
An apple was being eaten by.
very good. An apple was being
Instead of this was.
Okay, और फ्यूचर में कैसे होगा? राधा will be eating, तो उसका कैसे होगा? An apple it's not confusing, it's just same. Just will be being eaten. Don't get confused. Okay? Will be being eaten. But this is very rarely found, will be being eaten. Okay, but agar aa hi gaya, so that will be the answer. Okay. Now, next we come to perfect tense. Abhi perfect tense mein Radha, how will be the perfect tense? Would you like to copy this, or you are comfortable with active and passive? You like to copy these sentences? Then I'll go to the perfect tense. You understanding, no? You remember these rules, huh? Write the first sentence full, and then बाकी के दोनों के नीचे सिर्फ वो tense जैसे change हो रहा है वैसे लिखना. Do you refer to total English in school? No. Hey, I think Ran also refers to total English. Ran able. No?
Now, this is teaching only paper, essay writing, letter writing.
What grammar book do you refer to in your school? Total English. What will be the present perfect tense? Should I write now? Are you done with this? अगर अभी present perfect को कैसे change कर? Radha has. Should we do some other verb? Eat both हो गया ना? Radha has written a letter. Okay. So, how will you change this?
The letter was written by her. The letter was
Being होगा तो it will become continuous. सिर्फ was मतलब simple tense. अभी यहाँ पे क्या है? Radha has written. So कैसे आएगा? So a letter has. Had नहीं करना है. Had मतलब तुमने tense change कर दिया. So this will become a letter has. और यहाँ पे add होगा BEEN. When you have perfect tense, you use been. A letter has been written by Radha. और अगर Radha had written a letter, तो कैसे आएगा? अरे was कहाँ? हाँ. So had been. Was बोला तो it is either simple or continuous. यहाँ पे क्या है tense? Had. So a letter had been written by Radha. So this will become a letter had been written by Radha.
the letter was written by her.
Very good. A letter will have been written by Radha. So this will become will have been written. Okay. So check the tense, and then change accordingly. Okay. And our last is perfect continuous. So Radha has been writing a letter. तो इसका क्या होगा? नहीं चेंज मत करो भाई टेंस.
Has been written by Radha.
Okay, a letter has been written. So this will be a letter has been being written by Radha. Okay, this is again very rarely asked. Okay, this will become a letter has been, तो has been रह जाएगा जो यहाँ पर हो रहा था. Okay, और because this is ing इसके पहले being आ जाएगा. Has been written by gram. But again, this is बहुत बार नहीं पूछा. This is for your information. Write this example, but it is not asked very often. Do you stay close by, both of you? Walking distance.
No. Open hand, CHS one. On CHS time.
Okay. Staying at a farm society. How far is that from here? You come by rickshaw, 5 minutes?
Right hand.
Okay. And you stay walking distance. Now, because the sentence was small, you could easily identify किस चीज को आगे लेना. Otherwise, what you will do is always ask the question. Radha has written what? What has Radha written? A letter. So that letter will come first. Okay. So remember, active passive में always ask the question what. और what में जो आंसर मिलेगा उसको first लाना. ठीक, ये तो बिल्कुल छोटा सा सेंटेंस है. It was easy to identify. But if the sentence is long, then it will be a little difficult. So that time you will remember what. Okay, if I tell you, take a break. Have 5 minutes break. What do you do in 5 minutes break? Nothing. You don't carry anything to eat. No water.
I like that one. Yeah. अच्छा है.
Light sphere or sword and it's still light, ice, dragon. So still normal taps the second scene. Oh, lost one. Then try here. Then apply constant. Now apply contact here. And it will be second. रिसेट कर लेता हूँ क्या रिसेट कर लेता हूँ रिसेट भी करना तो फिर नहीं रहेगा स्टोर नहीं होता पर इन्वेंटरी में तो नहीं होगा second scene एक स्लॉट रहता है देखा है ना गेम क्लास गेम पास रहेगा इसका स्टोरेज तो हमारे पास स्टोरेज रहेगा मैं मैक्स स्टोरेज मेरे पास yeah, for the save it, we don't visit it.
So now the mosquitoes. So these were the simple ones, and you understood how you should change according to the tense. Okay. Now I'll tell you a little different ones. Now, different in the sense it's not difficult, but sentences. New better. My father gave me a new pen to write in the exam. The new pen was a new pen
was given to me by my father to write in the exam.
Always remember, my father gave what? Gave what? And you'll come to know however long the sentence is, you will get the what you'll get the word that you should put first. Okay. So write this. Next is crowd laughed at the clown. So how will this be?
The clown was laughed at by the
Perfect. The clown was laughed at by the crowd. Okay. Now, if it is you must do your homework.
must be done by
Your homework must be done by you. Good job. Has he finished the task? That's a question.
is the task
Now is, what is the verb here?
and the task finished by
Has the task,
finished by
has the task, has है तो क्या आएगा? Been. So has the task been finished by? Has the task been finished by him? Question. Okay. Who gave these orders?
his order in the given word.
Or by whom? Who होगा ना? So you start with by whom. By whom? By whom were these orders given? If should I rub this? If this. Open the door. Now you know this is order or request, imperative sentence. Have they taught you kinds of sentences? This is order. Okay. It can be order or depends on the tone. Open the door or open the door. Okay, order or request. What do we do? In this case, it will be let the door be open. When we start with verb, it will be let the door be open. Okay. Or if I say bring the keys, or will you change this?
Let the key be brought by you.
Yes. Let the key be brought. Okay. Bring the key means you bring the key. But let the keys be brought. Key or keys, whatever. Okay. Just write these. These are little, you must do your homework. Depends. If it is easy for you, you need not write. But write these. 1, 2, 3. Done? Car was parked in a wrong place.
In a wrong place, the car was parked.
Then what should it be? The sentence is an active voice or passive voice. Who's doing the action?
The car.
Car is doing the action. Who's doing the action? Active voice or passive voice? This is passive voice. Where by is missing. The car was parked in the wrong place by someone maybe, or by him, or by her. That by is missing.
You park the car.
So this will become Someone parked the car in a wrong place. Okay, so the sentence is in passive voice and we need to change it to active voice.
I was parked in a wrong place by someone.
So the car was parked. No. See, the minute you say was parked, it becomes passive voice. So how will you write it in active voice? Someone. Now we don't know who it is. So it can be either someone or commonly used as they.
The car.
They parked the car in a wrong place. Okay, sometimes they also give you question sentences. Change the voice. So it can be either active to passive or passive to active. Shall I give you sentences to do on your own? Will you remember? Just write this sentence as well. Already written? Write this sentence as well. Done? Three men are loading the cart. Three men are loading the cart. Okay. Now, he will be elected. He will be elected secretary. SECRETARY. He will be elected secretary by the group. We must listen to his music. He was known to be a kind man. He was known to be a kind man. I'll write a sentence, next sentence here. Alas, we shall hear his voice no more. And I'm giving you the starting, okay? Alas, his voice A football team has won the match. Sapna was reading the newspaper. When did Ramesh write this sweet poem? When did Ramesh write this poem?
Like this.
Poem. This boy must be taught English by you. This boy must be taught English by you. First write this. Mask is compulsory in your school? No. No schools have made it compulsory yet. No? So what time do you leave from here to go to Naval? In the morning? Oh, what time is your school? Starts at?
Sometimes you get last time for it is
9:05. You go by bus or
car.
car. What are your timings? School timings?
And you leave
9 to 3:15. That is same for all man. What are your school timings?
It's just 7 to 2:10.
7 to 2:10. So you have 2 recess. How much time does it take for you to go from here?
We reached till 7 only. It's 8 to 10. I leave from at when it's 6:50.
Okay, you leave around 6:50 and you reach, it takes 15 minutes, 20 minutes. You go by school bus. School bus must be taking a long time. At least half an hour.
7:45 minutes.
Oh, almost an hour. Huh? There are many children from Copper Connect to your school.
No, ma'am, but not from Koperkan.
Okay.
Till Aeroli we go. From Koperkan, Missouri.
Yeah.
From most of the children are from Missouri.
Okay. So, Ghansoli and then Airoli. Takes a long. Done? All the sentences? Take your time.
Not getting second.
Think. Let's see if you get, then we discuss. Okay. Sure. Let's see. What is the first sentence? Let's take turns. Okay, you start.
3 men are loading the car.
3 men are
Loading the car.
loading the car. Okay. So what is the answer?
The car is being loaded by
The car is being loaded by 3 men. Right. Then, what is the second one?
It will be elected secretary by the.
Sorry.
He will be elected secretary by the.
Okay, he will be elected secretary by the group.
The group will elect him secretary.
The group will elect him secretary. Very good job.
We must listen to his music. His music must be listened by us.
Listened to by us. Music must be listened to by us.
He was known to be a kind man.
Mhm.
He was a kind man to be.
He was known to be a kind man. अभी यहाँ action कौन कर रहा है? He was known, मतलब ये कौन सा voice है?
That's it.
For passive voice. जब भी ना you have helping verb and past participle. That means it's passive voice. Was known. He was known to be a kind man by either everyone or them. So how do you say now? See, I told you यहाँ पर जब we don't know, you start with they. So ये कैसे होगा? They he was known to be a kind man. Right? I'll write the sentence here. He was known to be a kind man. The sentence is was known मतलब passive voice में है. We don't know by whom, so we use they. So they was known मतलब ये क्या है? Past tense. They knew him to be a kind man.
He shall hear his voice no more.
Mm-hmm.
Alas, his voice shall hear no more.
Shall be
Hear. Heard.
heard. Shall be heard no more.
Huh?
Hmm?
More
Will
biased.
be heard is also fine. Voice shall be.
By us also.
Huh?
By us.
Yeah, his voice will Alas, his voice shall
be heard.
be heard no more by us.
A football team had won the match. The match had been won by the.
That's it.
Sapna was reading the newspaper. The newspaper was being read by someone.
Was being read, B-E-I-N-G.
When did Ramesh write this poem? Had this poem written by Ramesh?
When did Ramesh write this poem? This is the sentence. When did Ramesh write this poem? So, when this will become when did write means wrote. So, when was this poem written by Ramesh? When was this poem written by Ramesh?
This boy must be taught English by you. You must.
Sorry, come again.
This boy must be taught English by you.
Taught English by you. Okay.
You must. Well, we can change the thought to teach.
You have to.
You must teach this boy English.
Okay. You must teach this boy English. Was that the last sentence? Now, I think you've got the hang of this. So after a few days, maybe I'll give you another revision. Okay, rather than just writing active tasks. Now, have you done articles? You're thorough with A and the. You're confident with the articles, A and the. So I'll give you one short exercise about A and the. Okay. You know when we write the. When is the written?
Before anything, capital names
Okay.
or name of person.
Name of
Person and or
the. No. The is
specifically.
the means it is one and the only thing. Okay, so the Himalaya, the Ganges, the means जो एक ही है, the Taj. Okay, so when you are talking about something which is only one, the earth, the moon, the sun, एक ही है. Okay, so for that we use the. Now, if I'm talking about there are two boys, one is in red and one is in yellow. The one in red. Just when you're talking about a specific thing, we use the. Okay. A for every person, noun, name, it indicates one. And before vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Okay. And the sound, basically for the sound of the vowel. So therefore, an noun, an umbrella, but university is not an. So it begins with U. Why? Because the pronunciation is like Y, here. And therefore it is either the university. Okay. University, though it starts with Y, U is never written as an. Okay, university. Then you have there are no articles before the name of a person. Proper nouns के पहले कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, याद रखना. For superlative degrees, you know, highest, lowest, best, उसके लिए the के पहले हर बार the आ जाए. So I'll give you fill in the blank with suitable articles. First sentence. My father was a clerk in dash code. CLERK. Should I write in dash one? Which lesson have they finished in school from your treasure chest? Only one poem is done. Nothing is done. So without fail, get the treasure chest next time. And get, we'll not start with our Shakespeare, but get it. Like if we are done, then we will start something little smaller part. Next, the function turned out to be quite QUITE, quite dash occasion. Next, she took dash pen and wrote dash letter. He needs dash few books from the library. And last one, he can't afford such dash expensive shirt. Done? Tell me the first one.
My father was a clerk in the court.
That's it. A clerk in the court. Tell the second one.
I would waste so many people at the drop of a hat.
Very good.
Performing dash act of kindness is positive act. Performing
Performing
the act of kindness.
an act of kindness. Yeah, so an act of kindness. Performing an act of kindness produces positive act.
The good news is that the first phase of the mission is on course.
Okay. The good news is that the first, for cardinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, the is added. Okay. So the good news is that the first phase of the mission is on course.
The function turned out to be quite an occasion.
The function turned out to be quite an occasion.
She took a pen and wrote a letter.
She took a pen and wrote a letter.
He needs a few books from the library.
He needs a few books from the library.
He
You
can't-
know now with few how it works. I have few money. I have few sweets. Means I have very, or if I say very little. Then if I say I have a few sweets, matlab I have maybe thoda hai, thode sweets hai. And the few sweets that I have, matlab जो सारे sweets मेरे पास है. So the and without any article, the meaning is different. Okay, for few and for little both.
We can't afford such an expensive show.
Yes, we can't afford such an expensive shirt. Good. Do you have anything more to ask about the articles? You get questions on articles, no, in the exam. So we have just 5 more minutes. So should I give you some more sentences or you're tired? Thinking. Okay, so what we will do after going home now? We go out to play. No, what?
Little bit less.
Okay. And then
Study.
what classes we have tomorrow? I started full legends to do the physics, math, and everything. Should I ask you something orally? Yeah, you don't have to write. Close the books and ask you orally. Dash dosas are made of dash rice.
A dash goes
No, just dash.
the dosas are made of the
Actually, dosas are made of rice. और rice के यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं. Okay. Dosas are made of rice. Dash fast. Should I write? Then it will be easy for you. One last sentence. I thought this question.
it was on the 5th of the month.
Yes. Remember the cardinals, huh? The 5th of the month that he got his salary. Dash old man was taken to dash hospital.
Man was taken to the stage.
Or was taken to the hospital. When we again talk about this old man, we say the old man. Any sentence maybe. Okay. First sentence where we don't know who this old man is. So it will be only an old man. An old man was taken to the hospital. Again, when we are talking about this old man, then we will say the old man had fractured his hip. Okay? So remember, otherwise it's just an old man. He takes dash glass of dash water before going to play football.
It's a glass of water.
Yes, he takes a glass of water. And water के आगे कुछ नहीं है, A and कुछ नहीं. He takes a glass of water before going to play. Yeah, You had your history lecture last week?
Not here.
Okay, not here. So you started with today's your first day. No, you started with your maths and science. No? 2 weeks back. 2 weeks back. You've so far not had your history lecture yet. So far you had only maths, science. Then you have English, history, geography. What is your second language? Yours is Hindi. What is yours?
But now they have said that Marathi is one compulsory.
Marathi is compulsory.
Yes.
That will be your third language.
English, Hindi. But it is not
They are
taken seriously. Just a bit is there.
Yeah.
No
Because
grades at all.
anyway you have best of 5. Best of 5, no? In next year also, in 10th standard.
In the entrance for colleges. Not it is.
I mean, so you will have history, social studies, maths, science, English, and Hindi. That is best of 5. The sixth language will not be, the sixth subject will not be taken
Serious.
serious. I think you can do it 15. No? What time this gets over? 6:20. So we're done with this. Who's your maths teacher? No? Just in your school.
Next school,
Do you know the names of the teachers here? Do you know what is the name of your English teacher?
he must
Neelam. Neelam. And then who's your physics teacher? Yeah. Yeah. You never asked.
sir to sir to
Okay. And bio?
I don't remember when we studied again.
Okay. How many are there for bio? There will be a bigger group for bio. Oh, two. Just two. There's joint later. Go. Go. Maybe we can go. Just 1 minute. Waiting.
Not
Right.
That would be very better, अच्छा तो उधर ही है ना टीचर उधर ही होएगा लेकिन थोड़ा डिस्कशन है अच्छा वेल है ना उधर